Are you tired of thinking and finding ways to have money on your pocket? Do you want to know the secrets of money creation? Well, you're on the right channel. Today, we will talk about the path to wealth, unveiling the hidden secrets of money creation, so watch the video until the end. Secret number 1, knowledge is your treasure map. Think of wealth like a hidden island. To reach it, you need a map. And in the world of finance, that map is knowledge. Don't be intimidated by fancy terms or complex charts. Start with the basics: budgeting, debt management, and investing. Learn how money flows, how it grows, and how you can control its direction. Books, websites, and even friendly financial advisors are your guides. Remember, knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions, navigate financial challenges, and unlock opportunities that would otherwise be shrouded in fog. Secret number 2, consistency is your compass. Picture a winding mountain path leading to a breathtaking summit. Building wealth is like climbing that path. It's not about leaping and bounding, but about steady, consistent steps. Forget the allure of get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, focus on small, regular habits that build momentum over time. Save a portion of your income every month, no matter how small. Track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Pay off debt strategically, one bite-sized payment at a time. These seemingly insignificant actions, done consistently, snowball into a powerful force that propels you towards your financial goals. Secret number 3, calculated risk is your climbing gear. Reaching the summit often means venturing beyond your comfort zone. Calculated risk is the sturdy rope and pickaxe that help you navigate these challenging terrains. Don't shy away from good investment opportunities or career moves that push you outside your bubble. Invest in yourself through education or skill development. Explore new income streams like freelancing or side hustles. Just like a seasoned climber, weigh the potential rewards against the risks, research thoroughly, and never gamble with your financial well-being. Remember, calculated risk isn't about reckless leaps. It's about taking informed steps that could lead to significant growth. Secret number 4, live below your means, your cozy shelter. Imagine a cozy mountain cabin, a haven for the elements where you can rest and recharge. Living below your means is like building that cabin. It's about spending less than you earn, creating a financial buffer that protects you from financial storms and allows you to save and invest for the future. This doesn't mean deprivation, it's about prioritizing your needs over fleeting desires. Resist the siren song of lifestyle inflation, the tendency to increase your spending as your income rises. Instead, channel that extra income into investments and savings, building a solid foundation for future security and freedom. Secret number 5, patience is your breathtaking view. Reaching the summit takes time and effort. The same goes for building wealth. Patience is the breathtaking view that rewards your perseverance. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or slow progress. Celebrate small wins, track your milestones, and remember that true wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Enjoy the journey, learn from your mistakes, and adapt your strategies as you go. Remember, overnight success stories are often the tip of the iceberg, hiding years of dedication and hard work. Why it works? Patience allows you to stay focused on your long-term goals even when the path gets challenging. It prevents you from making impulsive decisions or chasing quick fixes. It helps you appreciate the value of every step you take, building a sense of accomplishment and motivation that keeps you moving forward. Secret number 5, diversify your streams. Be a rainmaker, not a drought survivor. Imagine relying solely on one river for your water needs. A single drought leaves you parched. Building wealth thrives on diversity. Don't rely solely on your salary. Explore multiple income streams like freelancing, rental properties, or even creative side hustles. This diversifies your financial landscape, making you less vulnerable to economic fluctuations and providing backup rivers when one source dries out. Multiple income streams act as safety nets, catching you if one income source falters. They provide additional resources for investments and goals, accelerating your journey to financial freedom. Secret number 7. Befriend automation. Let technology be your loyal pack mule. Remember a trusty mountain mule carrying supplies on your climb? Automation is your financial pack mule. Set up automatic transfers to build savings and investments effortlessly. Schedule bill payments to avoid late fees and penalties. Leverage budgeting apps to track your spending and identify areas for improvement. Technology eliminates manual tedium, freeing you to focus on strategic decisions and enjoying the journey. Automation streamlines your financial life, reducing cognitive load and making healthy habits stick. It minimizes human error and ensures consistent progress towards your goals, freeing you to focus on bigger picture planning. Secret number 8. Embrace community. Find your tribe, not just treasure. Imagine scaling a mountain solo, navigating treacherous paths without support. Building wealth isn't a solitary trek. Seek out financial communities, online forums, or mentor networks. Share experiences, learn from others' mistakes, and find encouragement when the climb gets tough. These communities offer insights, accountability, and a sense of belonging, making the journey richer and more enjoyable. Financial communities provide valuable support, helping you stay motivated and avoid pitfalls. They offer diverse perspectives, challenge your assumptions, and expand your financial knowledge base. Sharing your journey fosters accountability and reinforces positive financial habits. Secret number 9. Celebrate milestones, big and small. Focusing solely on the summit can make the climb feel endless. Embrace and celebrate milestones along the way, no matter how small. Did you save your first $1,000? Pat yourself on the back. Paid off a credit card? Time for a mini celebration. Celebrate milestones with loved ones. Indulge in a small reward, or simply acknowledge your progress. This positive reinforcement keeps you motivated and makes the journey itself rewarding. Celebrating milestones reinforces positive financial behavior and instills a sense of accomplishment. It keeps you energized and focused on your goals, reminding you of how far you've come. It promotes financial self-confidence and encourages you to keep climbing, knowing each step brings you closer to the summit. Secret number 10. Reframe money from tool to masterpiece. Shift your perspective on money. See it less as a scarce resource and more as a tool, a paintbrush for creating your financial masterpiece. This reframing opens up possibilities. You can invest in yourself, your passions, and your future. You can use it to build something meaningful, something that contributes to the world beyond your own wealth. This shift of mindset imbues your financial journey with purpose and satisfaction, making it more than just about accumulating numbers. Reframing money as a tool empowers you to use it strategically and creatively, aligning your finances with your values and aspirations. It takes away the pressure of chasing elusive wealth and replaces it with the satisfaction of building a meaningful life, both financially secure and personally fulfilling. Remember, these 10 secrets are your tools, not rigid rules. Adapt them to your unique circumstances, learn from your experiences, and make the journey to wealth your own. With focused effort, clear-headed decisions, and a healthy dose of these not-so-hidden secrets, you'll build not just a fortune, but a fulfilling and financially secure future. Now, go forth and unlock the treasure chest that lies within your reach. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.